Ice Dancers of YouTube. I'm Marika, and on Tuesdays we are going to get technical. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you get your newest videos first. And if you want to leave feedback or even leave us some things that you want us to do next in the comments section, we'll be happy to hear from you. Let's get started. Today's step is an inside open mohawk, skated here with an extended free leg, as in the Willow Waltz or the swing dance. This step can also be finished with a neat, tight T position, as seen in the Fiesta Tango or the men's steps of the 14 step. So let's start with an exercise that helps us to focus on some moments of control that we can train. The aim here is to get good control of the shoulders and the closure of the free leg on the entry glide and the direction of the free leg on the exit glide. So we're going to take it piece by piece. This is for the entry glide. We're going to strike onto forward inside edge, rotate the shoulders and create a floating T position with the free foot just off the ice. After our push, the free leg takes a direct route in to establish the floating T, a 90 degrees with the blade just millimeters off the ice. The shoulders will have rotated from facing out of the circle to into the circle, with a distinct stopping point that actually marks the direction for your exit. To improve our exit glide, we can work on it without the turn before. Simply stroke backwards, extend the free leg, and hold. Alignment is everything here. Observing the entry edge from a different angle, we can see more clearly the opposition, shoulders facing out of the circle, that precedes the draw in of the free leg and the rotation of the shoulders. And here's a great image to help us visualize how the feet should come directly underneath our center each time we turn a mohawk. So now we've set up our ability to create a floating T, but now we need to understand that there's going to be a moment where our floating foot makes contact with the ice. And the turn happens on 2 feet briefly, before we eject the free foot. The two-footed moment is so brief that we've slowed this video down to allow you to see it more clearly. We see contact, brief two-footed pivot, and we eject the foot we skated in on for the entry glide. That concludes our first Technical Tuesday. If you've enjoyed it, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to get notifications of our next video.